What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a responsive website with Wix. Wix is a website building platform that allows you to create fully customizable and responsive websites. It's easy to use, so it's beginner friendly, and you can start signing up and creating a website for free. So it's a great and easy to use website that's suitable for beginners. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website, that's wix.com, and you'll need to create an account. So click on Get Started here. You can create a new account with email, so you can enter your email, confirm it, enter your password and confirm it, then sign up. And you can also sign up with Google or Facebook. And if you do already have a Wix account, you can log into your Wix account. I've already created an account on Wix, so let's see. After you sign up and enter your email and password, you will be asked a few questions in order for Wix to further customize your interface. I don't see it necessary, so I'll skip them. You can answer them if you want, you are free to do so. However, I'll skip them, so let's click on skip. And then you are presented with the screen that says you are ready to go to your dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard. It might take a little bit of time depending on the server and your internet connection speed. It'll ask you to log in one more time, so enter the same email and password that you used to sign up to Wix. Alright, now we are in, and it asks you here to further describe your workplace or the nature of your work. Let's say I have a small business. Who are you building your website for? Let's say my client. Get started. Then it'll open the templates page. You can start your website from a blank canvas from scratch here. However, I prefer to use a template since it is much easier to edit a template that you already like and find that it matches the style of your business for your website. So let's choose a template. You can choose from some ready-made templates with like backgrounds, photos, colors, and text styles and so on. Or you can choose wireframes. The wireframes templates contain placeholders for like the text and the images. However, they don't have any texts or images, styles and colors and so on. So you'll have to do a little bit of work to edit each and every element, text and images, styles and colors and so on. I'll show you how to work with a template and then a wireframe. So let's go back to the templates, scroll down to choose a template that we like. Let's say we like this one. We can view it, so click on view to see what the site looks like with this template in real time. Here it is. You can scroll down, you can interact with the elements and the buttons on the site here and the menus, and you can even view the site on different devices. So a computer layout, a tablet, that's how your site will look on a tablet, the tablet interface, or even a phone interface, a mobile phone interface. So that's how this website will look on a mobile phone's browser. Okay, if you like this template, you can click on Edit Template. It'll load up the editor. Alright, it is now loaded. It asks you if you want to take a tour of the editor. No, let's click on maybe later. Now it opens the editor and your website is here. We can choose any of the elements, like this text box, for example, this text that says join the game. Here it says container. If we click on it, we can edit the text here. You can see if we hover over the text, we can click on it and then click on edit text. Let's say our website. And you can also edit the font and the font color and the text style and so on. Let's choose our text here, our website, and change the color. Let's make it a darker blue. Okay, now changed. And we can also change the style, the alignment, and the formatting and so on. If we want to choose a picture or edit this picture, we can also edit it. The image here, we can click on change image. We can upload our own image or browse from the stock footage available on Wix. So let's choose this one. Click on update. And as you can see here, the picture of the background changed. The cool thing is that any changes or edits that you make are instantly updated on the desktop view or the tablet view. If we click on the tablet here, you can see that all the edits that we make, the background image and the title has changed also, and the phone layout with the same image and the same title. All the templates on Wix are fully customizable on phone, tablet or desktop, and are fully responsive and easy to navigate. Now, when you are done with all your edits here, we can click on publish. You can choose to get a free domain name, or you can get your own domain, of course, with extra fees, and click on save and continue. Now here you can view your site. It tells you that your site is finished, and here is the URL for the site. You can click on view site. It'll open in a new tab. And as you can see, all the elements are there. So the image and the text title and so on. If we close this tab, we can further edit by adding elements. So if we click on the plus icon here to add an element, we can add a title, a paragraph, a button, an action button, an image, video, and so on. So let's add a text here. So we'll tap on title and drag it, drop it anywhere on our page here. And notice that I'm using the mobile phone layout. However, any edits that I make will be instantly updated on all layouts of the website. Here, let's edit the text. Let's type in our text. Choose it and change the color. Let's make it red this time so it'll be easier to view. Okay, and you can also drag it and drop it anywhere on the page here. So if we choose it, if we choose the text box here, you can drag it anywhere on the page. And as I told you, any changes are instantly updated on all layouts of this website. Now, if we click on publish, it'll tell you once again that your site is live. Now we'll click on done. Now that's the first site that we created from a ready template. Let's make one from a wireframe. I'll show you how to use wireframes and edit them. So here, let's go to the main page, and from there, let's choose wireframes, not templates. Let's choose any one, this one for example. We can also view it also on desktop, tablet, and phone. Here we can scroll, see all the placeholders for the text and the images and so on. And if you want to edit it, we'll click on edit. Same with the templates, you can edit any element here. Let's, for example, click on the get started button. Okay, hover over it, and when it is highlighted, let's click on it. Now we can edit the size, the width, the height, and the position. We can also edit the color here, and the borders, the corners, and anything. And if we choose this text box, click on it, we can edit the text here and also edit the size and anything. So if we highlight the text and start typing, this is a text box, you can see here the text changes. We can also, if we hover over an image and choose it, we can change the image as we did with the template. So that's how easy it is to create a responsive and fully customizable website on Wix from a template or a wireframe.